Hello guys, so this is Sanya Sinha and I'm just showing you my slime which I made from powdered laundry detergent and glue. So it's great, but earlier it was like very sticky, so I added a lot of oil in it in order to make it less sticky. I mean, like non-sticky. So now, then it was like very chunky, and then I started adding water and soap in it. I started kneading it, so that it becomes stretchy and soft again. So yeah. So here's an advice: if your slime is really very sticky, add a little bit of oil in it, not too much. And if your slime is like very dry, then keep adding water or soap solution in it and keep kneading it. Keep repeating this process in order to get a perfect slime. So that was it for today, guys. So bye bye.